Welcome to the TBX Trading channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about TBX weekly analysis. So we're going to be showing you guys some of the analysis that we have for this week. So if you're joining us for the first time, we'd like you to hit that like button and subscribe. We'd also like you to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our content. So we'll be right back. Yeah, it's been a while since we actually did a video on this channel. I'm very sorry about that. We've been busy a little bit, so but we're here now. So we're going to be talking about the analysis for next week. We're going to be looking at throughout next week. So the first pair I'm going to be looking at, let's check out AUDUSD. So on the AUDUSD, price is in a downtrend. Price broke this low and price has retested. So price is in a downtrend. So what I'll be looking for currently, I'll be looking for sales currently. So what I'll be looking for, I'll be waiting price to come into this zone. And once price gets into this zone, I'll be looking for reasonable entry reasons to sell down to this zone. So I'll be waiting for price to come into this zone, and I'm looking for sales down to this zone. Very simple. Now the next one we're going to be looking at is EURUSD. Now same as AUDUSD. Now, but the only thing is that sorry, let me rub off this stuff from the screen. Sorry about that. Yeah. So from the AUDUSD, I'll probably be looking for buy trades. Although this is clearly a downtrend, but I'll probably be looking for buy trades up to this zone that I just actually rubbed off. I shouldn't have cleaned that here. So I'll be looking for buy trades up to this zone. Possible buy trades up to this zone. Then if the EURUSD is going to continue to sell, I'll also be looking for sell trades from here, or I might be looking for possible reversals, because if you check out the higher time frame, oh okay, I don't think I'll be looking for reversals. I'll just be looking for down for sell trades. So most likely I'll be waiting for price to get into this zone, and if price wants to move up a little bit, the price might come up to this zone right here. So but most likely I'll be expecting price to get into this zone. So I might actually sell this. I might actually buy this counter trend. Then I'll be looking for more sell trades to the downside, probably to this zone right here. So let's check out the GBPUSD. Now GBPUSD is still pouring, so I'm just going to allow it to get into this zone. So once it has gotten into this zone, I'll be looking for small buy trades. I'm looking for counter trend trades up into the zone. Then possibly I'll be looking for more sell trades. Then let's check out NZDUSD. Okay, actually I'm still waiting for this price to hit my take profit. I know it's actually annoying. Just remain, I think, like a few pips to hit my take profit. As you can see, just remain a few pips. So I'll also be looking for counter trend trades from the NZDUSD. I'll also be looking for, since price is in this zone, I'll be looking for possible up trades and buy trades to this zone right here. Or I'll just be waiting for price to get into this zone. I'll just wait for price to get into this zone. Or I think one of the best things I'm going to do, I think the best thing to do is to wait for price to break this zone. That's if it's going to be a downtrend. Then wait for a retest, then into the zone. You get. So if you are more, if you're actually a more aggressive trader, you can just, and you want to milk almost every single thing in the market. That is, if you have to time, you can buy to this zone, then from here sell. And when the price retest, you can look for possible sales, then into this zone. So your choice. So let's check out the next pair, AUDCAD. So from the AUDCAD, price has gotten into my optimal trading zone. So what I'm going to be looking for now, I'm going to be looking for entry reasons. I'm going to be looking for entry reasons now. So we'll just jump down to the 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame. Probably just jump down to the lower time frames until I find my entry reason. So I generally move from the 15-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, 2 hours time frame, up to the 4 hour time frames to look for entry. So I'm still expecting price to fill in to enter the zone properly. So it just tested it, so I still need price to enter the zone properly. So probably to around the 50%. Let me, where's my Fibonacci? To around, I think the 50%. So I'm still expecting price to get, sorry, I'm still expecting price to get to somewhere around here. So once the price gets to somewhere around here, then I'll be looking for buy trades, small buy trades to this zone right here. Then to continue the possible sales. So the next trade I'm going to be looking at is, okay, this is AUDJPY. I actually lost the trade here because of my zone. My zone was actually invalidated, and price came to respect another zone. Price came to respect another zone in the top right. So I'll be looking for sell trades, and since price has broken this, I don't know if this looks familiar. This kind of look like an head and shoulders, pattern. I don't know if you see it. This is the shoulder, this is the head, and this is the second shoulder. So I'm not gonna trade this as an head and shoulders, but I'll just be looking for price. Since price broke these previous lows right here, then this is clearly downtrend. I'm looking for price to get into this zone and to give me possible sell trades. So I think I'll be taking the trades down to this zone. I'll be taking the trades down to this zone right here. I think this is the next zone I'm expecting price to get to. So the next trade we're going to be looking at is EURCAD. Now this price has been consolidating for a while, as you can see. So I think I'm going to just wait for price to give me an entry reason, and I buy low, sell high. And if price breaks structure, I'll also be looking for. So what I'm trying to say is that most likely I'll be expecting this pair to continue this range, but because of euro, since euro most euro USD, AUDUSD, most XXX USD pairs are actually selling. So there's actually big chance that there's a nice probability that this price breaks this zone to the downside. But anything that happens, I think I'll be prepared for it. But currently, I think I'm going to be looking for entry reasons to buy to the upside, because price has been ranging for a very, very long time. So the next pair we're going to look at is NZDJPY. So NZDJPY, unlike the AUDJPY, NZDJPY hasn't broken structure here yet. Let's check out the NZDJPY. NZDJPY hasn't broken structure yet, but although if you can look at it, you are still going to see the same head and shoulders pattern. So I should probably be looking for sales too. Now, I don't think I'll be looking for buys, because the price is going to price should respect this head and shoulders pattern. And one of the reasons why I don't think I'll be looking for buys is because most JPY pairs follow themselves, like compared to other pairs, JPY pairs tend to follow themselves a lot. So if one JPY is buying, the other one, if XXX JPY pair is buying, this other XXX JPY will also be buying. So if I'm seeing possible sales here, if I'm seeing possible sales in the AUDJPY, and I'm seeing possible buys, I think I'll also be looking for possible sales in the NZDJPY. So I prefer not to even take a trade. I prefer not to take a buy. But if you look at it closely, oh, okay, yeah, if you look at it closely, you find out that its price has already broken structure. I didn't even see it earlier. So we're still going to be looking for sales. If I bring this is the low. If I show that price has broken structure, this is a change of character. Price broke this structure, so we're going to be waiting for reasonable reasons to sell to the downside. So one of the reasons I might use to enter this trade is that I might just wait for price to come into this zone, then jump to the lower time frame and look for an entry here, as in price. I think one of the entry reasons I might use, or I could just wait for, if you check out our video on how to use profitable price action pattern, how to trade profitable price action pattern. Now this is not an head and shoulders, actually this is a QML, Quasimodo. The only difference between this and another and shoulders is that um well, an head and shoulders tests the previous low without breaking it. As you can see, this price broke the previous low. By Quasimodo is just like an head and shoulders, but it breaks the previous low. So you want us to do a video on the difference between head and shoulders and Quasimodo, just let us know in the comment section below. So since the price has already moved already, there are two things I will be looking for. I'm coming. Where is this? So the first way I will look for entry is I'll just be waiting for price to come to the zone I drew earlier was around here. That's the 50% of this red candle because it's a very big red candle. And I'll be looking for possible entries from here, or I can just wait for price to break this zone completely, like and give me and retest this zone. Then I'll be looking for sell trades to the downside. So that's all the PS for today. So before we end this video, and one of the reasons why I've been busy one of the reasons why I haven't been uploading videos is because I'm currently working on creating a TBX trading course. So I'm going to drop the link I'm going to drop the link below. But we've actually been working on making a TBX trading course. Sorry about that. And as you can see, TBX trading course, and it has nice ratings. As you can see, this is a 3.5. Might not be as good as this guy with 5 star with 4 stars, but at least we're trying, and we have gotten about 300 views. So it's actually very affordable. If you convert this to naira, this should be about, I think, $40. So it's actually very affordable. This should be about $50. Very affordable. And recently we just dropped a video on our entries. So I'm going to drop a link in the description. I'm going to drop a link to this video to get this course in the comment section below. We just dropped a video on our profitable entries. So if you want to know how we enter trades, let me just go back to. If you want to know how we place the best and one of the best entries, if you want to know how we got this kind of entry, if you want to know how, I don't know if you've seen some of the trades that we've been placing recently. Although I've not actually been dropping videos recently, but sorry about that. Yes, if you want to place trades like this, almost zero drawdowns. We actually discussed more about how we enter trades, almost zero drawdowns, and almost, I think I actually cleaned this. There was also another trade from here down to this zone right here, almost zero drawdown. And the trade we are currently still involved in, waiting for price to get to our TP, almost zero drawdown, almost zero drawdown. So if you want to learn how to place trades like these two, like sometimes you might have the best setup but a very terrible entry, and price might end up eating your stop loss before getting to your targets. So if you want to learn how we get our dope ass entries, you can just check out the TBX trading channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. So when you get the link, what you have to do is just to scroll until you find the TBX trading course and just check it out, sign up, get those kind of stuff. So see you guys in the next video.